Well, that's it. That was the Swindon Festival of Literature 2021. That was. Hope you enjoyed it. It's over. We can let it go. But we do hope that this year's festival has provided you with plenty to enjoy. If you've also got from it any new, interesting, or worthwhile ideas, better still. Remember, if you missed or want to watch again any of this year's events, from the dawn chorus to the finale finish, most of them will remain up on YouTube channel for a good while yet. To access them, simply go to the festival's website and click on the button by the event of your choice, and it will take you straight to our YouTube channel. And of course, if you still want to and are able to, give the festival further financial support to make sure the books balance this year and we come back with a great lineup next year, please go to the donate button on the festival's website homepage. The festival both needs and values your support. Thank you very much. Talking of supporting the festival, and there are a good few people who did just that this year. For a number of months and weeks before the online show began, publishers, agents, authors, performers have all been brilliantly helpful and cooperative. Furthermore, Arts Council England, Swindon Borough Council and Lower Shore Farm have all been generous in their financial support. To the festival's steering group and support group and many other local organisations and individuals, too numerous to mention, have also been helpful, supportive and kind. To them, many thanks. But meriting a special mention are the following. For many weeks, designer and man of many parts, Mike Pringle, has pored over emails and attachments sent to him from the festival's HQ, knocking them all into visually pleasing shape to make the brochure and complete the website. And in recent weeks too, our videos editor and all-round digitally savvy Cat Wright has been knocking a multiplicity of recordings into consumerable shape. She moved away from Swindon, but for good reason, we followed her. And to help Cat promote the festival in the dizzying world of social media, we have had Louisa Davison and her all-age crew at Secret Agent Marketing. All three of these festival co-workers have been patient, kind, understanding, hardworking, and sometimes even funny throughout the process. We thank them too. At the festival's HQ, Lower Shore Farm, my family and the Caravan Alley crew have been an ever-present and reliable source of inspiration. Terrific. Thanks very much, folks. And for giving me something that I pass on to you through my work organising the festival, namely a renewed sense of the beauty and value for life and our future. Special love and thanks go to newborns and little ones, Ella and Otto. And finally, a round of applause from the festival's HQ to you, festival followers everywhere. Without you, we do not know what we would do or why we would do the Swindon Festival of Literature. We do it for you, and we thank you. Till we meet again, keep well. And now, as the sun sets over Swindon, we end as we began, with the mournful sound of the watering can.